Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Firestick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So why are you missing out on thousands of free movies or dealing with geo-blocks on your device? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider or heavy cache buildup on the default system networks. Let us fix that right now and unlock the top 10 completely free media apps available today. Step 1. Install Tubi TV. Check this out. It is a total game changer for movie lovers. Search for Tubi in the Amazon App Store. Click Download. Once it installs, open the app. You do not even need an account to start streaming. Over 50,000 movies and television shows legally. Step 2. Get Pluto TV. This app is perfect for live channel surfing. Open your app store, search for Pluto TV, click Install. Launch the app and you will instantly get a cable-like guide with hundreds of live channels. It is super snappy and entirely free. Step 3. Set up Plex. This one is a no-brainer for cord cutters. Search for Plex in the Find section of your Firestick. Download and launch the application. Skip the login option if you want. Navigate straight to the free movies and live TV section on the left sidebar for instant streaming. Step 4. Install Freevee. This is Amazon's hidden gem for premium movies and original shows. Search your app store for Freevee. Hit download. Open the app and log in with a standard free Amazon account. You get massive blockbusters and high-quality shows with zero subscription fees. Step 5. Set up the Roku Channel app on your device. You do not need any special hardware for this. Search for the Roku channel in the store, download it, open it up. Enjoy thousands of free on-demand titles and live news streams instantly. Step 6. Get Xumo Play. Search for Xumo Play in the search bar. Click download and launch it. This application gives you quick access to free movies, comedy shows, and breaking news channels without any registration hassle. Step 7. Install FilmRise. Search the App Store for FilmRise. Download the app. Open it up to access a massive library of classic movies and hit television series entirely for free. Step 8. Set up Fawsome. Search for Fawsome on your Firestick. Hit download and open it. This app categorizes thousands of movies into super specific genres so you can find something to watch instantly. Step 9. Download Shout Factory TV. Search for Shout Factory TV in the search box. Install the app. This is an absolute goldmine for cult classic films, horror movies, and retro sci-fi television shows. Step 10. Get the Bounce XL app. Search for Bounce XL in the App Store. Download and launch it. This app offers a fantastic selection of free movies and live theatrical events without a monthly bill. Here's a quick pro tip to keep your new setup running at maximum speed. Go into your Firestick Preferences menu. Click on Privacy Settings. Turn off device usage data and turn off collect app usage data. Go to data monitoring and turn it off completely. This stops background tracking scripts from running. It saves your internal processor power for perfect video playback. Also, go back to your main network settings and choose the advanced configuration option. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4 to bypass provider throttling. If you use a hardware receiver, make sure your data cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet setups, always connect your device to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band. To maximize your download capacity, drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely turn your streaming device into a free powerhouse today. See you in the next one.